Hi, I'm Mike Cashion, a lawyer with Cashion Legal. If you are facing a situation in your career such as a new job offer or the loss of employment or a challenging workplace and you're wondering whether or not you need an employment lawyer, today I'm going to go through some of the reasons that someone might want to work with an employment lawyer and talk about some of the benefits that a lawyer can provide to you. The value of a good employment lawyer is in the ability to provide you with clarity about your situation, peace of mind to know that you're not being taken advantage of and that your rights are being protected, and also to provide you with a strategy for moving forward. If, after consulting with an employment lawyer, the lawyer has identified some area where your rights are not being respected, the employment lawyer can provide advocacy services on your behalf, which involves negotiating and potentially litigating to obtain a fair result. An employment lawyer serves two very important roles for a client. The first role of an employment lawyer is to provide the client with honest, objective advice, which means working with you, understanding what your goals are, understanding what your preferred outcome is, and within that understanding, providing you with an honest assessment about what a realistic result for your situation might be. The second role of an employment lawyer is to take that honest advice and provide advocacy services, which means negotiating on your behalf or potentially even litigating to help you achieve that reasonable, best possible outcome. The one thing that we do always tell our clients and prospective clients is make sure to speak to an employment lawyer before you sign anything, because once you've signed something, your rights may be significantly impacted and the employment lawyer might be limited in what they can do for you. An employment lawyer can help you with the three stages of employment, being before, during, and after. If you're in a situation where you're not clear about your legal rights or entitlements and you're looking for peace of mind, that is the best time to hire an employment lawyer. So you've been offered a new job, congratulations, that's awesome. The employment lawyer at that point in time can review the terms of the new job offer to make sure they align with what you've been told, whether or not they've slipped in any additional terms that might be unfair to you, or they can identify key clauses that might be problematic for you moving forward. You can then take that information to negotiate a more favorable employment contract with your prospective employer. If you find yourself in a difficult situation at the workplace, like if you've been demoted or if your salary's been reduced, or you're potentially even being subjected to discriminatory treatment by your employer, consulting with an employment lawyer can provide you with clarity about the situation. They can tell you what your rights are in those situations, whether your employer is respecting those rights, and ultimately provide you with peace of mind about your circumstances. If you've been let go, there are many things an employment lawyer can do for you in that situation. They can review the circumstances surrounding the termination of your employment to make sure that you've been treated fairly. They can review the terms of severance that you've been offered to make sure that you're receiving adequate compensation with consideration to the terms of your employment agreement. And the employment lawyer can also advise you as to what your rights are as it relates to finding new employment. If any one of these situations is applicable to your set of circumstances and you're wondering whether or not you need an employment lawyer, at Cashion Legal we offer comprehensive consultation services. This involves a detailed review of relevant documents in advance of the consultation, an analysis of the relevant legal principles to see how the law would treat your set of circumstances, and a consultation meeting where we provide you with that analysis and strategies for moving forward. Our goal with every consultation is to provide you with clarity and peace of mind so that you can take the next step in your career. Thank you for watching this video. If any of this information seems applicable to you, don't hesitate to contact us today and book a consultation.